Okay, evaluate the expression when c equals negative 5. So instead of c, I'm going to scratch it out and put a negative 5. So this is going to be negative 5. However, because it's squared, that means 2 of them. So because of the square, you've got to put 2 of them. Okay, so then you've got a negative 8, and then you've got a c. So let's put a negative 5 in for that, and then a negative 6. Okay, multiplication, get rid of your parentheses first. So here's how I like to do it. I like to separate them into sections so that I can see what I'm doing a little bit better. So for the first one, negative times a negative, it takes 2 negatives to cancel. So this negative cancels with this one. So 5 times 5 is 25. The next one, you have a negative and another negative, they cancel. So 8 times 5 is a positive 40. And then just bring down the negative 6. Okay, so 25 plus 40 is 65. 65 take away 6 is 59. And that's the answer. Okay. So again, if it helps you with the squared terms, you can rewrite it before you substitute. A squared is a times a. Then you can put minus 5a plus 6. Okay, so I'm going to put the a, the negative 5, twice. So negative 5 times negative 5. And then negative 5 times this a is negative 5 plus 6. Okay, for the first two, negative cancels with negative. 5 times 5 is 25. The next two, negative cancels with negative, so that's a positive. 5 times 5 is 25. And then you've got plus 6. So that's 56 when you add that up. So 56 is the answer. Okay, a squared means a times a. It means you've got 2 of those. Minus 7 times a minus 4. So every a is a 3. Everything else in the problem stays like it is. And then you do the multiplication. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, for this one, you've got a negative with the 7, but not with the 3. So you don't have another negative with that term to cancel it out. So it stays negative. 7 times 3 is 21. And then bring down this negative 4. Okay, in this situation, what I like to do is go ahead and combine the negatives together. So I've got my 9. Okay, so I have negative 21 and another negative 4. So that's a total of 25 negatives. Now we have a situation where you have a positive number and a negative number. If the signs are different, you find the difference. So you have to subtract. So you always do big minus small. So 25 take away 9 is 16. And then you say, which one's the largest number? 25. It's negative. That means your answer is going to be negative. So negative 16.